Hi all, welcome to our update for 9th of November after market close. So we are first checking Nifty daily chart. Again, it opened gap up today due to positive global cues, and yesterday was a holiday. And after that, today it opened gap up, but it couldn't sustain. Since opening, it witnessed some selling pressure. After that, it closed around at the almost at the day's low, which is a kind of bearish signal. Some people could have taken bearish position, but still US midterm result is still due. And if you observe, it's weak below previous day's low, which is around 1812 and 121. That is Nifty future, and monthly VWAP is also at the same level. So if it breaks with this with volume tomorrow, then we can see further downside. And if you look at it, there is a RSI divergence that has built up. So this is one. So it's up compared to the previous high, but still RSI is down. And if you see, it opened exactly at the this high level. After that, it witnessed a selling pressure. There is a lot of supply in this zone, and it is very difficult to cross this. We need a very good gap up and sustain it if we need to cross this zone. And if we see the Y, so Y is future wise up for both Bank Nifty and Nifty future today. Bank Nifty is very up now, so we should expect a very good movement in next couple of days, and maybe this next 2 days or maybe early next week. And if you look at the option chain for 10th November, so there is a lots of call writing has happened, which is a bearish, and some unwinding at the put happened at the lower level. So, and these are the current standings. We have a good support at 18,000, and 18,000 is a good support, and good resistance at 18,200 and 18,300. So by any chance, if market opens gap up because of any chance or anything, and these are under call writers are under pressure, then we may see a very good upside movement, but it looks less likely looking at the chart, which looks pretty bearish now. And also we have a RSI divergence. uh, then we check go for the Bank Nifty daily chart. It's kind of similar. We have a RSI divergence, also opened gap up below like above all-time high, but still it couldn't sustain, and it closed almost at the daily low, which is also a bearish signal. And RSI divergence is quite visible. And if you see, the Y is up significantly. The Y has been going up for this entire November. I think it's almost up around nearly 36-37% now, which is massive. And if this range is breaks, then we can see very good movement. Downside more likely until unless Bank Nifty future opens gap up after the midterm result of the US inflation report, which is due tomorrow. So the impact will be seen on only Friday. And if we look at the option chain for Bank Nifty, we have a very good call and put writing both. This is the Y change for today. And if we look at the Y, we have a very good support at 41,500 and very good resistance at around 42,000. And if any of the level breaks and sustains, then we may see a very good movement. And if you notice, 41,500 exactly at the previous day low. See, previous day low is 41489, 41,500, and also monthly VWAP is at 41,500 level. If Bank Nifty future goes below 41,500 and sustains there, then we can see 41,000 touching tomorrow itself. We don't know. So let us see. And this is Bank Nifty future. Then we'll go to the Nifty 5 minutes chart with a VWAP. So if you see, it opened gap up and immediately it went below VWAP, so it's a clearly bearish only. So if the futures is trading below VWAP, it's bearish, and if it goes above, then bullish. So there is no point in taking bullish positions if it is below VWAP. And if you say the entire day it was below VWAP only, it tried to break but couldn't sustain for 10-15 minutes, and then again it went down, and the volume increase at the end when there is a kind of selling pressure. So it looks like there will be gap down. If there was no event or nothing, then someone could have taken a bearish position today. So the signals are quite visible. The probability of gap down is very high tomorrow. And if we go to the bank nifty 5 minutes, it's very choppy, so there is no direction at all. It moves around the VWAP level, and it tried to go up, took some stop loss if you see some high volume, and then it went down, and there is a volume at the end, and it closed almost at the day low. So kind of again bearish, but bank nifty looks more bullish than nifty. And I think so. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But chart wise, it bearish. Option data is kind of mixed. I'm not sure. It's not very, giving very clear picture. But this level, if this level breaks previous day low, and bank nifty also previous day low and monthly VWAP, then we can see some selling, good selling. And upside looks limited because of this RSI divergence. And let's see what happens for next 2 days.